Hey guys, it's Lengi. So I'm going to show you real quick how to do a hair bonnet. It's very comfortable and stretchy. So you're going to need a silk material that's going to be underneath. So we need a circle. We need a circle, so you can use a hat to measure your circle or just use a tape. So I'm going to be using a tape to measure my circle, and I'm going to cut out the material. So I decided to use two different colors. So the silk that I have is going to go underneath, and that pink material, I'm going to use it on top. Yeah, so I'm going to cut out another circle on this beautiful material that's going to be on top of the black circle of the black material. So I'm just gonna cut out the pink material. So I'm just gonna sew all the way around using my needle. Mind you, this is gonna take very long because I can't use my sewing machine because it has a problem, so I'm gonna be using my hands. But yeah, I'm gonna sew all the way. So I'm done sewing, so now I'm gonna take the inside outside and the outside inside if that makes sense. And wow, so I'm gonna sew all the way around again so that I can be able to put an elastic band. So I'm done sewing, so I'm gonna be putting this elastic inside my hair bonnet. So my hair bonnet is ready. It's very stretchy and comfortable, so I'm gonna try it on. I love it because it's big. I can wear it whenever I do maybe a big hairstyle. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.